Welcome, second grader. I missed you. Hope you are all doing fine. I'm your math teacher, Bushra Jude, from Smart Application Academy. Our lesson for today is about subtracting with regrouping. We finished in the last lesson subtracting, but it was without regrouping. Okay? The lesson of today is so easy and we will gonna have so much fun. Please focus with me and open page number 19. Open your book at page number 19. Did you all open your book? Okay, before we start solving the book problems, I will make you remember our rules of subtracting. Okay? The first rule that we have to be ordered. We have to put the ones above the ones, the tens above the tens, the hundreds above the hundreds, okay? And we always start adding or subtracting from the right. From which digit? Yes, that means that we have to subtract from the ones digit, then the tens digit, then the hundreds digit. Okay, teacher? We have to start a subtraction from the right. We have to start subtraction from the ones digit. After we order the number, we will look at the ones digit, okay? We will look at the numbers on top and the numbers on the bottom. If the number on the top is greater than the number on the bottom, then we don't have any problem and we will subtract as we learned before. More on top, no need to stop. That means that we don't have any problem to stop and think about it. We just have to subtract the smaller number from the greater number. But if we looked at the numbers in the ones digit and we found that the numbers on the top is smaller than the number on the bottom, that means that we have a problem. We can't subtract a greater number from a smaller number. The more on the floor, go to the next door. That means that we have to ask for help. We should ask the neighbors for help. The neighbors only. The neighbors on the left, which is mean that we have to ask the number in the tens digit to give us 1. What is the value of the number here in the tens digit? Yes, it is the number with 0. Okay? We will have to ask for help from the next door. More on the floor, go to the next door. If the greater is on the bottom of the question, we will have to ask the next door for help. Knock, knock, number 10. No, knock, knock, tens digit. Back to the book examples. We have in the examples that said subtract 53 minus 18. Start with the ones. We have to start from the ones digit. First of all, we put the numbers above each other. 3 above the 8 and 5 above the 1 because we have 3 in the ones digit. and 5 in the tens digit, 8 in the ones digit, and 1 in the tens digit. Okay? Now let's start subtraction. We will start subtracting from the right. That means that we have to start subtracting from the ones digit. 3 minus 8. Can we subtract 8 from the 3? No, we can't. So we will gonna ask for help from number 5 on the next door in the tens digit. What is the value of number 5? Yes, the value of number 5 is 50. 50. So when we ask the 5 for help, the 5 is so generous. It will give us one of its value. That means it will give us 10. We will regroup the 10 with number 3 here. The 3 transferred into 13 and the 5 transferred into 4. Yes, the 3 become 13 and the 5 become 4. 13 minus 8 is 5 and 4 minus 1 is 3. Is it clear, teacher? Okay. Subtract the ones and then subtract the tens. Okay, teacher? Now, let's move to these examples. What do we have here? 40 minus 23. What do we have in the ones digit? 0. And in the ones digit here, 3. Can we subtract 3 from the 0? No, we can't. So we will go and ask for help. The 0 will become what? Let us see. The 4 is 40 because it is in the tens digit. The 4 will become 3 because we ask her for help, right? The 1 that we took it from the 4, it will go to the 0. We will regroup the 1 with the 0. That means the 1 will become 10. Excuse my handwriting because I am using the mouse. Let's continue. We regroup the 1 that tens as 10 ones, showing 1 less 10 and 10 more ones, okay? 10 plus 0 is 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. Okay, 3 minus 2 is 1. So the answer is 17. Okay, let's solve this exercise together. We have here 31 minus 16. 31 minus 16. Write with me, teacher, okay? 1 minus 6. Can we subtract 6 from 1? No, we can't. So we will ask the 10 for help. 3, can you help us? Yes, of course, I will give you one of my value. That means the 3 will give us what? Will give us 10. So the 1 will become 11, because we regroup the 1 with the 10 that we took from the 3. The 3 will become what? Will become 2. Bravo, teacher. 11 minus 6. Yes. How much is it? Can you answer me? Yes. Bravo. 11 minus 6 is 5. Please write 5, teacher, inside the box. 2 minus 1 is 1. Bravo, teacher. Bravo. Thank you, teacher, for listening. That was the lesson for today. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to contact with me. This page will be a homework. If you didn't do the homework, I will forgive you as always. But if you have any question, please ask me and have fun with the rest of your day. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. I am Bushra Jude, the math teacher from Smart Application Academy. Have a nice day. Thank you, teacher, for listening.